I'm going to show you how to attach image to shape in Canva. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and select any browser that you want, and once you're in your browser, go to canva.com and you should be in this page. And now just select a design. It could be any of your recent design, or you could just start a new one. And now once you're there, just look at this left corner where you can see multiple options like templates and elements. Just go ahead and tap on elements, and once you're there, scroll down till you find shapes. So once you find the shapes, just go ahead and select the space or shape like this. You can enlarge it like this, and now go to elements again and scroll down till you find photos. So it's right here, you can see photos, and now select any image that you want. So let's say you want this image. So now just fix the shape of the image, and now you can see that you have successfully attached an image to a shape. So there you go.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.